Hi everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share with you all my Think Pink Mini. We have all been affected some way or another by breast cancer, and I wanted to create a little something that paid homage to the fight and to everyone that has been affected by breast cancer. And here it is. I'm going to walk you through it. It's a very, very simple mini. However, it's super elegant and graceful. I love the way it turned out. I did a couple of different things here that I'm going to walk you through, and let's get started. For the binding, I did a ribbon ruching technique is what I'm calling it. I don't think there is an exact way to identify this for the binding, but I put this together during my Ustream class. I showed everybody how I did it, and my Ustream class was last Thursday. If you're interested in how to put this ruching technique together, you can find it on my blog. The link is available there for the Ustream class. Okay, so be sure that you check it out. It's www.paperphenomenon.blogspot.com. This is very simple. I did this at the beginning of the class, so if you're not interested in watching the entire thing, you can definitely get a gist of how I did this in that class. Okay guys, so I haven't seen this before, so I'm really excited about it, and I love how beautiful it is. This can totally be applied to any other type of mini, like a wedding mini or a little girl's mini. It would be absolutely gorgeous. I also went ahead and jazzed up the binding further with my iRock. I went ahead and set all these crystals in the binding, and I love it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And to finish off that binding, I went ahead and put together a charm, which this is one of the Tim Holtz faceted charms. I cut out another ribbon with my Cricut, and I covered it with this gorgeous paper, and I suspended it with a charm assembly here, and suspended it with just a basic safety pin. And how gorgeous is that? Absolutely beautiful. I love the way it turned out. Very subtle, very subdued, but lots of presence, and I love that. For the cover, I used the Pink Journey cartridge. These are individual cuts in the Pink Journey cartridge, and I went ahead and welded it and created this image assembly that you see here. This Gypsy file is available on my blog right now if you want to take full advantage of it. It's a free download, so my friends, if you want to create something like this or use some of these images, feel free to check on my blog and download those files, okay? And it's a Gypsy file. I use a couple of little flowers here, and for the paper line, I didn't use basic pink. I wanted to go ahead and jazz that up further, and I used the Cosmo Cricut Delovely line. If you haven't had a chance to play with this paper, it's fabulous, totally gorgeous. So please be sure that you check it out, pick up a couple of sheets, because it's fabulous. I used some punches, some more iRock going on over here. The punches that I used were the Medallion chain by EK Success and the brand new Martha Stewart punch vintage lace. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Another must-have item. Yes, I'm telling you all, if you don't have it, go buy it. You gotta have it. Super fabulous. And the iRock, another amazing tool. But be careful with this, guys. This heats up fast, and it sets those crystals in 1, 2, 3. Okay, so just be careful with it because it's a heavy-duty tool here. I'm not much of a tooly kind of girl, but I just went to town with this mini album. And I'm sorry if you hear Sneaky in the background, but that's my little girl barking. She wants to come in. She's got to stay out there. She's punished for making a potty in the house. So, for the tags, I went ahead and did another cutout with my Cricut. For these tags, I used the Sentimental's cartridge. The tag cuts out exactly how you see here, for the exception of the word here. The tag actually in the cartridge, it says Excalibur or something like that. I don't even know what that is, and I don't know what it means, and I don't care. But I wanted to put something in there that was relative to this mini album. So I went ahead and welded 4 words in there: survivor, fight, courage, and pink. So that's how the tags read. This is what they look like on the back. another Martha Stewart punch for the corners, and some more of that lovely, gorgeous paper. You want to know how I went ahead and did this special different kind of mat? I cover that in the class as well. So take advantage of that and check it out. It's a fun class, guys. We have a lot of fun. I promise you, you're not going to be bored. If you're bored, call me and let me know, Kathy. Don't quit your day job, all right? So, but you want to check it out because it's so fun. And again, just the same thing that's going on throughout the rest of the album. But again, lots of room for pictures and journaling. Those special tags and the journaling can be hidden on the back side. They don't have to be exposed. And the same thing throughout. The pocket pages here, again, another Sentimentals cuts. I just resized it to the size, to my desired size. It is included in the Gypsy file, so you can take advantage of that as well. I go over how I assemble these pocket connectors here. I normally put my hinges on the inside of the page, and I went ahead and put them on the outside of the page, and I love how it looks. So it's very simple, no craziness. Look, it goes all the way through, but that binding allows the tag to just stop where it's supposed to stop, okay? So have fun with the class, my friends. Check out, try the ruching technique. It's gorgeous. Let me know how you like it. And I hope that you all enjoy the rest of your week and you have a fantastic week. Be sure to check me out on my blog. We are having another Halloween class today, my friends, on my Ustream channel at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'm doing the Monster Mash class. I am so Halloweened out that I am ready for Christmas, my friends. So check me out. paperphenomenon.blogspot.com. This is Kathy, and until next time.